بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a Smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Who are they? Where are they? What are they doing?
Roshi and Fawzia are best friends. They have been spending time together since they were young girls. Every evening they got dressed and walked to the shopping mall together. They have been walking together to the shopping mall every evening for the past 8 years. Lately Fawzia has not been feeling well. Roshi has been walking to the shopping mall alone each evening. Then she visits Fawzia at home. She has been bringing Fawzia her groceries every evening for 1 week. She hopes Fawzia feels better soon.
He, she, it and singular name has. I, we, you, they and plural name have. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about
actions and states that began in the past and are still continuing at the time of speaking.
I have been holding this ladder for ages. When are you going to come down?
She's been living in Austria for 3 years.
He's been teaching here since 2018.
They've been waiting for the train for hours.
actions and states that began in the past and have only just finished.
Thank goodness he is here now. I've been waiting for hours.
She's so tired. She's been walking.
I've been vomiting, so I'm really ill.
My brother's been eating my chips.
The present perfect continuous tense is also used for repeated actions.
He's been taking medicines every week for a year.
I have been traveling every day for a month.
She's been getting noticed 2 times a day.
I have been getting up at 5 for the last 3 weeks.
There is sometimes little difference between the meaning of the present perfect and the meaning of the present perfect continuous when they are used for long-term actions.
I have been teaching in this school for 2 years.
I have taught in this school for 2 years.
We usually choose the continuous form for more temporary actions or states.
She has been living in Dubai since she left school.
And the present perfect form for more permanent ones.
She has lived in Dubai since she was born.
We cannot use this tense with verbs such as be, know, and like, which are not used in continuous forms. We can use for instance with the continuous form in the same way as with the present perfect form. Kindly see my previous video for more information.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.